Hello and welcome back to the FXStreet YouTube channel. This is your host Akash, and today we're going to be talking about VeChain. But before we actually get into the technicals of VeChain, I want to direct your attention to the FXStreet YouTube channel. And if you like the content that we put out every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you like what I do, you can follow me on Twitter at Mangyako with a 0 at the end. And I put a lot of charts, mainly technical stuff, the trades that I take. So that's about it. Back to VeChain. The last time we discussed, I was talking about this Adam and Eve pattern and how VeChain had broken out perfectly, but I was still looking for a retest of the 0.153, 0.152 retest, which kind of did come. But since Bitcoin showed a lot of weakness and saw a massive crash, that's translated into a lot of altcoins, and VeChain is no exception. Right now, VeChain is hovering just above the 0.132 support level. And what's happening right now is a daily close below this level, which is 0.132, would invalidate the bullish thesis. But so in that particular case, I would have to throw this Adam and Eve pattern in the bin and look for something different. And that something different would be, just a second, let me just take this out. Yeah, so I'm going to take my fib extension, draw it from this swing low here, 0.08, and move it all the way up to 0.019, 0.018. And if you look at this, what's happening right now is VeChain is currently retesting the 50 fib here. Let me just turn off the log. Yeah, it's retesting the 50 fib here at 0.134, 0.135. And if the weakness or the indecision in the market continues to persist, then I'm expecting it to head down to this the zone here, the optimal trade entry zone and the buy zone, which ranges from 0.1 to 0.12. I would be looking to long VeChain if we ever get into this position in this zone here. And my take profit level would be 0.153. But for this trade, right, there's no confirmation per se. You would be going in blind, I think, because I'm not quite sure if it's going to stay here and then reverse its downtrend and then go higher. And that'll only be possible depending on how Bitcoin is reacting at that particular moment, right? Right now, there's a lot of weakness. So I'm expecting VeChain to continue going lower, right? But that said, the take profit levels would be 50 fib here, 0.13, and then the 0.153 resistance level at here. So these are the two levels I'll be looking at. But in the case that VeChain doesn't stop here at 70.5 fib or $0.11, then I would be expecting it to head down into this demand zone here, ranging from 0.08 to 0.09. Right? In this scenario, there would be a double bottom formed. We might get a double bottom and then a wick down to lure the short traders and then proceed to go higher. In which case, I would still be taking profits at the 50 fib at $0.13 or the 0.153 level. So these are the two levels that I'm looking at. So currently, you could call me cautiously optimistic, waiting for a buy indication. So yeah, that's it for VeChain.